Hello, this video will show you how to input pay details for the newly added staff. Let's input the date of birth, as well as the NRIC. The race is important in order for the system to determine if the staff is required to contribute to any self-help groups like CDAC, SINDA, or MPMF. Residency and religion. For the residency, this will help the system to accurately calculate CPF contributions. Let's input the basic pay, and please choose the pay period and pay method for this staff. For the bank name field, please choose from the drop-down menu. In the account number field, please make sure you include the branch code, as the system will capture the information when you click on the Generate Branch Code link. As you can see, branch code and branch name are automatically populated. On the Pay Elements field, by default, the basic pay element is already input for you. If there are any other pay elements that you would like to add, you can do so. This can also be done before doing a pay run. For the optional information field, these are information necessary for IRA submission. Choose the designation, the gender, as well as the marital status. Nationality is important as well. And then on the right side would be the staff's address. Input the information, and you can go ahead and click on Save and Next. Thank you, and keep an eye out for the next video on inputting the time clock details for the newly added staff.